Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Ada here again, and today we are in my kitchen and I will be showing you all how I baked this condensed milk cake using no oven. So if you want to see that, go ahead, keep watching. So welcome back guys. Today we are going to be needing our egg yolk and our egg white. I already separated that too. You don't need them together, you have to separate it. And then this is our vanilla flavor. I have my condensed milk right there. I have my butter, and that is my cornstarch. I have my salt, and of course I have my flour. So I'll be mixing the condensed milk into the egg yolk. Turn that properly, and then I will be adding my vanilla flavor. And also adding my butter. After that, I go ahead and pour that in my flour. I also add my cornstarch and my salt. And after that, you turn. You mix everything gently and properly. Then I get back to my egg white. You have to whip the egg white until it's foamy. And after that, I pour that in my batter and I do the folding method. You don't have to whip this. You have to use the folding method for it to come out real good. So I am using the folding method to do that, and after that I already greased my pan and I poured the batter in my pan and covered it up with a foil. Then I dropped that in my boiling water, already boiling water, and after that it's done. I left it for 45 minutes and I brought that out. And the cake is ready, and this is what it looks like guys. It is so yummy. This cake is so delicious. I hope you try this and give me a feedback. Tell me what you think about it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.